show you how to make a futuristic bolt rifle. I usually use it with my Mega Bloks Halo guys. I have both Lego minifigures and these guys. I usually fight minifigure against them. Yeah, so for this gun, you're going to need a microphone, a lawn stick with that kind of like nub at the end, a piece like this, a cylinder and a cone, and a Lego hand or a robot arm. You could choose. First, you get the microphone. Then you're going to put on the nub like that. Then you're going to get the cone, put it on like that. Then you're going to get the stick, face the nub toward the handle, place it on there. Then you're going to put the robot arm behind the stick and behind that gray part. So it should look like this. Yeah. You're going to put it up there, put the bolt down. There you go. All ready to go. Hope you enjoy the video and please subscribe. It's very helpful if you do